Kuki Inpi Manipur ki state sin bathungna sathariba rally for justice ki Saruk amoina Kangpokpi district ki lambi da miyoi lising ki mathakta Saruk yaduna rally chatkre Kuki zo taba mafam singda satharakliba thodok sing prime minister na minyang sangbiyo haina yauba point tarek ki charter of demand ama Kangpokpi ki DC da pisinkre ngasi ki miyang rally adu nute Kail Hangdagi Hauraga National Highway number 2 the Lalaga Kangpokpi district ke Deputy Commissioner ke office tamna laktuna India ke Prime Minister ke Mingda memorandum adu pishin ke Kim gi minjang makhada Chatkhiba statewide mass rally adu Committee on Tribal Unity ko tu na sinki bane rally adu da NSN IM amadi ZUF ke na haukiba thakara sida Kuki zo for ki miyoi taramari hatkre Kuki gi khul taramathoy romna mai thadana udholon kre haina maral siri loina nanga si pishin giba memorandum adu da yawba charter of demand taret atuba matamda thabak da onthoka da bane haina Kuki CSO Kangpokpi gi spokesperson Zang Haulun Haukibna statewide rally gamari lena na phongdokhi
Our people are killed, our villages are burned, the roads are blocked, education has stopped, supplies have stopped for more than a month now, and our people are starving. So where is the government? Where's the right to live? Where are the fundamental rights of the Kuki Zo people? Today, on behalf of my people, I sincerely appeal to the government and to my fellow citizens of the rest of the country that this continuous persecution against the Kuki Zo people must end. This is an SOS, and the government must act without any further delay.